Hello and welcome back to SkillWeb. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add an image into OBS. So let's have a look now. Open OBS Studio on your computer. Click on the plus icon in the Scenes section to create or select the scene where you want to add the image. In the Sources section, click on the plus icon, select Image from the list of available sources. Give a name to the image source. Click Browse button to navigate to the location of the image file on your computer. Select the image file you want to add and click Open. Okay, so here you go. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.